Good morning students, welcome back to the EVS class. How are you all? I hope all are good. Today we are going to study a new chapter, chapter 7, communicable disease. Communicable disease. Students, do you know about communicable disease? Sankramik rog. Okay students, means a disease that can spread from person to person. Now let us learn how can this spread from person to person. How can we protect ourselves from these diseases? Okay students, first of all let us learn about diseases. Okay, what is diseases? Disturbance in body function. Disturbances in body functions means abnormal condition of the body. Okay students, the body is not able to function properly. हमारा body में disturbance हो रहे, हमें properly कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे. We feel headache. We feel body pain, okay, weakness, okay, always we feel to lay down, okay, understand students? It means we get sick, means हमारा body function अच्छे से नहीं चल रहे तो इसका मतलब हमें disturbance हो रहे, हमें कुछ रोग आ गया, means disease आ गया, understand students? Now students, who can disturb us means who can disturb us and or who can affect our body? Okay, germs, disease causing microorganisms. Germs means disease causing microorganisms. There are some microorganisms, okay, it can cause diseases. Okay students, these germs can affect our body. These germs can disturb our body. These germs can affect our body function. Okay students, now students, what are microorganisms? Disease causing microorganisms are there. It is germs. Okay students. Then what are microorganisms? Microorganisms means small living things which can be seen only through the microscope. Okay, which can see only with the microscope. Small living things means extremely small living things. We cannot see with our naked eyes. हमारा आंखों में उसको देख नहीं सकते, उतना छोटा है. Extremely small living things. Okay students, we can see these small living things only with the help of microscope. Understand students? बहुत छोटा है. Okay. Example, viruses, different type of viruses, bacteria, protozoa, fungi, many type of microorganisms are there. Okay students. Now students, what is this microscope? Microscope means it is an instrument. Okay, it helps us to see small living things look big. Okay, this microscope, it is an instrument. This instrument make small living things to look big. Understand students? Now students, effects of pathogens. Pathogens means germs. दोनों एक ही word. Okay, pathogens means germs. Okay, how can these pathogens affect our body? हम ये जर्म्स है वो हमारा बॉडी में कैसे अफेक्ट कर सकता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस जर्म्स एंटर आवर बॉडी, वो हमारा बॉडी में प्रवेश करेगा. उसके बाद देन इट मल्टीप्लाई इन लार्ज नंबर्स. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? इन देयर आर मेनी वेज टू एंटर आवर बॉडी. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू लेटर. ओके, जर्म्स फर्स्ट एंटर आवर बॉडी, हमारा बॉडी में प्रवेश करेगा. देन विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स, विद इन फ्यू सेकंड्स it can multiply in large numbers. ये बहुत बढ़ेगा. Then the person became sick. उसके बाद this microorganisms means these pathogens make the person sick. Understand students? Now see, what are communicable diseases? Okay students, there are two type of diseases: communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Okay students, now let us learn about the communicable diseases. Okay, say spread, disease that spread from an infected person to another person, to another healthy person. There are some diseases. Okay, see these diseases can spread from an infected. अगर किसी को infect आ गया, अगर किसी को वो disease आ गया तो it can affect to another person. It can spread to many people. Understand? It can cause large number of people to get sick. बहुत लोगों को ये स्प्रेड कर सकता है. communicable diseases. Okay students, see students, how they are transmitted means how these communicable disease can spread. ये दूसरे लोगों के पास कैसे आता है? There are two ways. Now mainly many ways are there. Now mainly we can learn about the two ways. Okay, there are two ways: direct contact and indirect contact. Okay students, direct contact means फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट, फिजिकल शारीरिक रूप से हम जैसे टच करेगा वो डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट है, फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट, पर्सन टू पर्सन कॉन्टैक्ट फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ when you touch an infected person, when you sit with them, okay, when you shake their hands, okay, then students we can means when we talk with them, when we talk with an infected person, when they cough, when they sneeze, छींक जब आता है, जब खांसी आता है, हम लोगों बातें कर रहे हैं. Understand student? Spread the germs from the infected person to another person. Understand students? Students, when the infected person talk, when they cough, when they sneeze, okay, these germs present in their lungs and throat and lungs. उन लोगों को जो infected person है उन लोगों के शरीर में germs है. Understands? Then when they talk, when they cough, these germs present in the throat and the lungs, they thrown out into the air. वो air में आ जाता है. Understand student? When we breathe that air, okay, we breathe in the air, है ना? लोगों सब जब पास जब बातें करता है तो बातें करते करते ये germs, infected person का germs बाहर आ जाएगा. हम जब बात करेंगे तो हमारे अंदर ये पहुंच जाएगा. Understand students? Then these pathogens, these germs enter in our body, then it multiply in large numbers within seconds. ये बहुत बढ़ेगा means पहला दिन first day throat pain. Understand student? Second day headache, weakness, body pain, get disease, get sick. Understand student? Means these germs can multiply in large numbers. तो ये बढ़ेगा तब हमें पता चल जाएगा. Understand students? So students, what are the examples? Tuberculosis and cholera, communicable diseases. Okay, direct contact and indirect contact is also there when we travel in the public transport, when we travel in the bus, in the train, in any vehicle. Okay students, means other people also with us. If any infected person in that vehicle, already I told you, when they talk, okay, when they cough, when they sneeze, these germs from their body thrown out into the air, then it spread in the air. That means this person can, means this disease can spread many people. Understand students? It can cause large number of people to get sick. बहुत लोगों को ये डिसीज आ जाएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, मीन्स इनडायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट, हम उन लोगों के पास मत जाओ तो उधर कहीं वो खड़े हो जाओ, हमें भी ये आ जाएगा. Then contaminated food and water when you go to the market. Okay, please students, don't eat any food from the roadside. Means uncovered foods are there. दो कवर करके नहीं रखता, ऐसा ओपन करके रखा है. Okay, means these germs can settle on their food. This open food, they are not covered. Understand? These microorganisms can attack this food. वो ऊपर आकर बैठेंगे, हम मुँह खाएगा, then it become sick. Understand students? So don't eat any uncovered food from roadside stalls. Okay? Then when we contact with animals, if the animal is infected, we get sick. Then when the small type of living things, means mosquito and other type of small living things, when they bites, जब मच्छर हमें काटेगा, we get sick. Understand students? Now students, see what are the many type of communicable diseases are there? Tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid, jaundice, common cold, many type of. Okay, now how can we identify these diseases? Okay, by studying the symptoms, students, a particular disease is caused by a specific kind of germ. Okay, means typhoid is caused by a kind of bacteria which is different from that cause cholera. Cholera के लिए एक kind of bacteria होता है, typhoid के लिए other kind of bacteria होता है, specific kind of germ होता है एक एक disease के लिए. Example coronavirus, it is a different kind of, it is different type of virus. Okay, it can spread everywhere. Okay students, now how can we identify the infected person, identify the disease? Okay, see, every disease has a definite symptom. If we have common cold, we can able to understand running nose, headache, body pain. Okay, means if we have cholera, then what are the symptoms? Vomiting, then waterly stool several times in a day, हम बहुत बार टॉयलेट में जाना पड़ेगा. वो क्या है? Cholera, diarrhea. Symptoms means lक्षण. By studying the symptoms, doctors are able to identify the disease. डॉक्टर को समझ आएगा कौन सा डिजीज है सिम्टम देखिए. Understand students? Then students, where do germs live? हम germs को ढूंढने के लिए कहीं नहीं जाना, because germs live everywhere, हर जगह में हैं. They present in the air, they present in the unclean water, they present in the soil, and then also they are lives inside the body of plants and animals. हमारा अंदर भी है. That is why we get sick. Understand students? Now once again let us learn diseases. What is diseases? Disturbance in the body function, abnormal condition of the body. Understand students? Means the body is not able to function properly. Then germs. What are germs? Who can disturb us? Disease causing microorganisms are there. Okay, then what are microorganisms? Extremely small living things. We can see them with the help of microscope. Microscope means it is an instrument to look big. It is an instrument to make small living things to look big. Okay students, then example virus, bacteria, fungi, many type of viruses are there. Then how can they affect? How can they effects of pathogens? How can these pathogens affect us? Okay, germs enter the body and multiply in large number within minutes. सबसे पहले अंदर आएगा, then ये बढ़ जाएगा. Understand? We can multiply in large numbers. Then students, communicable disease means spread the disease from person to person. Many diseases are there, tuberculosis and cholera. I told you there are two ways to infect a person. Okay, direct contact and indirect contact. Okay, so what are the prevention? हमें क्या कर सकता है? Social distance, keep away from the infected person. Then don't shake with them. Okay, means don't shake your hands with them. लोगों को हाथ मत दे दो. Understand students? Then use your mask, especially in the coronavirus. Use your mask. Okay students? Then keep yourselves from the disease. So we should learn how can we protect ourselves from the viruses. Understand students? Then how can we identify these symptoms? By studying the symptoms. Okay, then where do germs live? Germs everywhere. Germs is everywhere. Okay, germs live everywhere. In the they present in the air, in the unclean water, in the soil. Also they live in the person's body. Okay, they live in the animals, in the body of plants and animals. Okay students, now you can learn it from the chapter. Read the chapter, page number 274. Okay, good.